Click on the link below to get price. The Broil King 674114 Baron 420 Pro Shadow is a propane gas grill that blends functionality with modern design. Ideal for both seasoned grillers and those just starting out, it offers a range of features aimed at enhancing the outdoor cooking experience. At first glance, the Baron 420 Pro Shadow presents a sleek, contemporary aesthetic with a sturdy stainless steel build. The design not only contributes to its visual appeal but also hints at durability, making it a potential long-term addition to your outdoor cooking setup. This model is equipped with 4 burners, allowing for ample cooking space that can accommodate everything from burgers to vegetables, providing flexibility for various grilling styles. One of the standout features of this grill is its dual-tube burner system. This innovative design ensures even heat distribution across the cooking surface, which may lead to perfectly cooked meals every time. Additionally, the grill incorporates a built-in infrared side burner, which can be particularly useful for searing meats or preparing side dishes simultaneously. This feature enhances the versatility of the grill, enabling users to take full advantage of their cooking experience. The Baron 420 Pro Shadow also includes a porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grid, which is designed to retain heat effectively. This can be beneficial for achieving those sought-after grill marks on meats, while also making the grill easier to clean after use. Furthermore, the grill boasts an electronic ignition system that allows for reliable startups, minimizing the hassle typically associated with lighting propane grills. When it comes to usage, the grill's spacious side shelves can serve as additional workspace, providing a convenient area to prepare ingredients or hold cooking tools. The adjustable air dampers also allow for better temperature control, giving users an opportunity to experiment with different cooking techniques. In conclusion, the Broil King 674114 Baron 420 Pro Shadow combines a well-thought-out design with practical features aimed at enhancing the grilling experience. Whether you are hosting a barbecue or enjoying a quiet evening meal, this propane gas grill could facilitate a more enjoyable cooking process. Its mix of style, durability, and functionality may appeal to a wide range of outdoor cooking enthusiasts.